So one of the difficult things about being in an RV is for everybody to have their space, their desk space, their office space, computer space. And one of the reasons we bought this RV was because it already had a desk in here. This is for Terry. This is where he does his work and his space. And so I used the kitchen table. And so then we didn't have a place to eat. So what I did was buy one of those little 2x4 tables, and I put it right up here along our sofa. You could put it along your sofa. We actually have ours made up as a futon for Nikki and I. And put this right up against our little slide out in the kitchen here. And you can see I have a lot of stuff in it, and I have a container for some other items underneath, and then short little video on this little organizer here too. But it doesn't take up too much room. We can get by okay. Feels a little cluttered, but it works really great for having my space and for him having his space. So that's an option that you might look at trying out for yourself. Thanks for watching.
Hi, this is Terry from Melanie's World, and today I'm going to show you how we solve the problem that plagues all RVers. What to do with all your cables and remotes. Well, what we did was we got this organizer. I think it's a shoe organizer.
No, it's actually a cell phone organizer that teachers use in school for the kids' cell phones.
There you go, a cell phone organizer that teachers use in school. Now we needed a place to hang it, so what we did was we took Melanie's desk and we cut this off to length, see that? And then we drilled some holes in and put some screws so that these holes go right over the screws. And you would go, well, that's just a dumb idea because Melanie can't reach the controls. But as you see, Melanie's now sitting in Terry's seat. And now I have complete control of all the remotes. And we also had a bunch of different cables that we use for all of our electronics. So we put them in here. They're organized by what kind of connector they have. We have chargers. Everything is in one place. And we get ready to move. We just roll that up and stow it away, and we're off to the next location.
Awesome. And as you can see, it's on one of those 2-foot by 4-foot folding tables, so the table just folds down as well. And my laptop goes on top of there, and everything I need is right at hand. So hopefully this is a tip you can use. Thanks for watching. Bye.